This video makes the case that consciousness absorbs the physical laws to become a natural and essential part of the physical environment. Our survival depends on intelligent response to stimuli. To find food and escape dangers requires insight into gravity, distance, weight, speed, momentum, and other physical properties. The intuition of the physical environment and the physical laws is a fundamental quality of the mind. Whether we see a stop sign or a friend's face, perception is involuntary. Sensory stimulus triggers activation, but the brain's self-regulation restores the so-called resting state, the inactive condition of the brain. The sensory input represents spatial relationships, but they turn into rhythmic electric activations. Every activation modifies the strength of connections between neurons. The continuous evolution of the synaptic map permits anticipation and prediction, which orients the mind in time between birth and death. Consciousness also shows qualities of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics describe the wave-like behavior of particles, and quantum cognition explains human decision-making, the probabilistic and context dependence of human perception. The subjectivity of the mind represents a particle-like isolation, which is analogous to the electron or any other fermion. No matter what changes we impose on the electron, it remains constant. We cannot change it. And the resting state provides a continuity of the sense of self from infancy to old age. The resting state stability leads to a sense of particle-like permanence. This sense of permanence might have led to the religious beliefs about the soul. We cannot accept the thought of death. Our organs have special functions: digesting food, propelling movement, expelling waste. The conductor of all this bodily teamwork is our brain, and it is the only organ that can go awry without structural problem. Our emotions can motivate actions and decisions contrary to better judgment or even our conscious intentions. Our emotions can produce success or failure. They can drive us mad or cause disease. So understanding consciousness is of paramount importance. The Fermionic Mind Hypothesis shows that the mind is not only particle-like, but is truly an elementary fermion. Fermions are particles that make up matter. And matter takes shape in space. And we know that the mind is very different. The main difference is the mind exists in time. Matter produces entropy and disorder, but the temporal mind forms intellect, creativity, and other highly ordered states. Although chaos and order are opposites, they depend on each other. Therefore, the physical environment makes the existence of the mind possible, and inversely, consciousness facilitates the environment's ability to produce disorder. So they depend on each other. Recognizing the mind's particle-like nature can revolutionize the treatment of mental diseases. It can inspire a new generation of AI, the emotional robot. Studying consciousness can also teach us about physical laws, new insights about time, space, gravity, and others. The awareness that the mind and intellect are an integral and necessary part of the physical world changes how we imagine our future. Humanity's calling is the formation of interplanetary and intergalactic civilization. We have a bright future only if we work together. We must move from the age of information to the age of intellect by placing a high value on the individual. Everybody is important, and it makes it possible to move forward. The physics of consciousness might teach us about ourselves and our environment and our future. So congratulations on your interest in this science. Please take the next step and subscribe to my channel.